Question number 3, prove that tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosec theta. So here we have to prove this 1 plus secant theta into cosec theta. So here I will go for the LHS. LHS is given tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. As already I have discussed that whenever tan theta comes, you can write tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. And whenever the cot theta comes, you write cos theta by sin theta. So here I can write tan theta is what here? Sin theta by cos theta. Whole divided by, I can write here 1 minus cot theta, nothing but what? Cos theta by sin theta. Plus similarly cot theta. Here also we have cot theta. So cot theta I can write here cos theta by sin theta whole divided by 1 minus tan theta I can write as a sin theta by cos theta. So the numerator is as it is, that is what? Sin theta by cos theta we have to keep as it is. Whole divided by, in the denominator you should take the LCM. So this sin theta will be the LCM and then you should multiply here. That is what will come here. That I can write as a 1 into sin theta will come here. Sin theta minus cos theta, and the denominator, that is what? Sin theta I can write as it is. Plus here the numerator also as it is, cos theta by sin theta whole divided by, here also I should take LCM. So LCM will come here cos theta. So this cos theta I should multiply here. So that it will come here cos theta minus sin theta whole divided by what? Cos theta. So now what you should do here, you have to multiply. This is the first and last, this kind of work you have to multiply. Numerator. Here also you can multiply like this. Okay, so here will come sin theta into sin theta is become what? Sin squared theta whole divided by this denominator and this numerator you can multiply. So what will come here? Here will come cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Plus here cos theta into cos theta we can multiply, so it become what? Cos squared theta whole divided by this one I can multiply here. So this is what? The sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. So the next procedure is what here? Next step, LHS is equal to sin square theta. This keep as it is. Don't change anything in this. Sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. But now in this case, now what you can do here? Okay, here if you see that we have cos theta minus sin theta, is it? And here we have sin theta minus cos theta. So what I want to do now, I want to make it both same. Okay, so what I will do, here the denominator we have cos theta minus sin theta. So I will write as a sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, I will write as a what? Sin theta minus cos theta. But if you are writing sin theta minus cos theta, this sign you have to change. This plus sign you have to change here. The plus sign will change into what here? Minus sign. So that is the only one step is very important in this. This step is very important. So that now if you see here, both the numerator and both the denominator sin theta minus cos theta is same now. So what I can do now here, I can take common here. So now I am taking common the denominator. What is the common denominator? Here denominator common is sin theta minus cos theta. Numerator is only 1 I will write. So what is remaining here? So sine square theta divided by cos theta is remaining minus cos square theta divided by sine theta. So what I have done here, the sine theta minus cos theta only have taken common. What is remaining? This is the sine square theta, cos theta. See here also we have sine square theta by cos theta. Next, if you see here cos square theta divided by sine theta. Here also we have cos square theta by sine theta. So this is the remaining in the bracket. So what you can do here, LHS is equal to 1 by sine theta minus cos theta. So this is sine square theta into sine theta. What is become sine square theta into sine theta? Sine cube theta. And cos theta into cos square theta is become what? Cos cube theta whole divided by cos theta into sine theta. So here now very important step. Here 1 by sine theta minus cos theta keep as it is, don't change anything here. Now here very important step, that is what? Sine cube theta minus cos cube theta. So here we have to use the identity. What is that identity? That is what? A cube minus b cube identity. So a cube minus b cube is nothing but identity is what? A minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. This is the a cube minus b cube identity. So I will write in this way. So first we have a minus b. A minus b. So I can write here, this is sine theta minus cos theta. Then in the bracket, what do we have? A square. So I'll write here sine square theta. Then we have b square. So I can write here cos square theta. Then we have ab. AB nothing but what? Sine theta into cos theta. Whole divided by cos theta into sine theta. Okay, so here now I can cancel this. Numerator sine theta minus cos theta, denominator sine theta minus cos theta, cancel. What is remaining now here? LHS. So remaining is what? Sine square theta plus cos square theta. So I will write here sine square theta plus cos square theta plus sine theta into cos theta whole divided by cos theta into sine theta. So you know that now identity sine square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but what? 1. So I'll write here 1 plus sine theta into cos theta whole divided by, so I just to bring it down so it will be visible to you. So here denominator is same. That is what? Cos theta into sine theta. Now I will separate the numerator with the denominator. So I will write here 1 by cos theta into sine theta plus sine theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sine theta. So as I know that 1 by cos theta, 1 by cos theta is nothing but what? Secant theta into, as you know that 1 by sine theta, 1 by sine theta is nothing but what? Cosec theta plus, now I can cancel the sine theta cancel, cos theta cancel. So the 1 is the remaining. So here is the LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved.